Alright everyone, here we are with another video with Invest for Tomorrow. To the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. To all subscribers, welcome back. All I ask for in return is for you guys to smash that like button, and if it's your first time here, do not forget to hit that subscribe button and click on that notification bell so you don't miss a single video and you can be up to date with our chart analysis here with 42 Vision. So MULN stock had an explosive move to the upside, but the moves began since $1. Every single video I talked about as we were going lower and we did coverage on MULN, we talked about how important staying above $1 was and how it had hit a dip area around this area around June 13th and June 10th. Now, it bottomed out close to $1. It found support and you could see the full transitions from the dip area to the rip areas. It slightly pulled back down and it's ripping again with full strength on 42 Vision, right? The strength is in the bright green. The extreme weakness is in the white with red borders. This is what I call the dip area. This is what I call the rip area. And we also use the bull and bear indicators, which I'm going to pull up later in the video, to actually analyze and look for extra layers of confirmation, right? So we need to talk about some key levels and data going on in the charts. But before we do, I want to share with you guys the home run opportunity I mentioned this morning over at the Discord. So the home runs of the day were spectacular and beyond expectations. And if you guys want to know about these stocks early on in the pre-market and receive this clarity and edge over the charts, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord, the 42 Vision indicators, and you'll become part of a growing community of investors all looking to learn and grow together. So these are the two stocks I mentioned this morning, and yesterday one of them turned out to be a home run. SIDU, as you could see it right here, we caught this one yesterday. Today it presented a home run opportunity as well, and ADN turned out to be the fresh new home run of the day. We caught this one in the pre-market under a bull indicator, full strength towards the bell, and even after the bell, giving a highest point of 100% plus. And SIDU gave us a home run opportunity as well. It was under a bear indicator towards the bell, went into extreme weakness on 42 Vision, gave us a bull indicator and full strength, giving a highest point of 25% plus in both runs. And if you guys want to know about these stocks early on in the pre-market and receive this clarity and edge over the charts, we strive for opportunities like these every single day. Check out the link down below in the description to the Discord, the 42 Vision indicators, and our bots, as well as today our SPY bot presented a home run opportunity, sending out a bear indicator at 9:35 a.m. And from that moment forward, put options went up 200% plus within an hour, guys. And we strive for opportunities like these every single day. We look forward to having you join us, and let's jump into these charts. So here we are with MULN stock, and as I stated earlier in the video, complete transition here on 42 Vision from the dip area to the rip areas, and we need to talk about some key levels here and what the charts are showing on the bigger time frames. So I'm going to pull up the bull and bear indicators, which you can now gain access to as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 Vision indicator, getting connected to the SPY bot, our QQQ bot, our newly released Tesla bot, and we have other bots on the way so that you can receive the clarity and edge that you deserve within the volatility of the markets to maximize on opportunities, whether stocks are going up or going down. And you can now join the members using these resources to maximize in either direction by receiving this clarity and edge over the charts. So here we are with MULN on the 30-minute. It was in a dip area, got that bull indicator around 104, consolidated within that area and had strength, brought itself back up, and from the dip area plus the confirmation of that bull indicator to this rip area, right after it started to bring itself back down, quickly a bear indicator popped up from way down here at $1 to 117, 119, almost 17 to 20% in a few days. Between that dip area and that confirmation of a bull indicator to that rip area and confirmation of a bear indicator slash pullback, right? So that's what 42 Vision allows us to see, right? Clearly the charts have that edge and maximize within the moves. And now it was consolidating here around 110, 112, got a bull indicator at 114 and hit highs here of 128, nearly another 5 to 10% plus move. But here we are with the stock consolidating up here, and we need to talk about some key levels based off the chart and what the bigger time frames are showing. If I pull up the 4-hour here, you could see that it just got its first bull indicator after consolidating, hitting this dip area, And we had not hit a dip area white with red borders since May 11th, May 12th. Around that time frame, we got that bull indicator, and look at the full strength that happened. And here we are with it trying to do another leg up after hitting this dip area on the 4 hour. We just got a bull indicator. Does this guarantee and signify further strength? No. Is it going to react like this? No, that's not guaranteed. But based off the technicals and how the chart is moving, this is a very interesting setup right now on the 4 hour. I'm going to be watching this bull indicator if it's going to continue to hold strength on 42 vision. Now, on the 1 day, it is now transitioning from red to red with green borders to dark green. And this bull indicator has not been canceled by a bear indicator, and it's fighting to bring itself back up. We were actually watching this carefully, how this bull indicator popped up after hitting a dip area on the 1 day. Since way down here at 87 cents, things bounced back up through the consolidation, and the bull indicator popped up at around 117 to highs here of 167. And throughout the volatility and the pullback, right now it's trying to bounce back up, have support around that same area where that bull indicator popped up, and never a bear indicator popped up on the 1 day, signifying that that is still dominating over the chart, and there was a possibility of things trying to come back up with strength if it never got rejected. But we need the 4 hour to continue with strength, not end here. Is it guaranteed to do the same thing it did here and how it played out? No. Again, I want to emphasize that. That's not guaranteed, but these are very interesting levels and setups to be watching on 42 vision. And right now the 30-minute has a bull indicator, and the 15-minute, if you pull it up, and if you go all the way to the 5-minute, it's been under a bull indicator within this consolidation. And this is how 42 vision allows us to see within different time frames, whether you are a swing trader, day trader, or a scalper, or a long-term trader. There's opportunities for everyone to receive this clarity and edge over the charts. And if you're interested, you can now join us and become part of the community of investors maximizing with this clarity and edge over the charts. The link is down below in the description, and the 1 hour has it as well. The 2 hour has it as well. And if I even put the 1 minute, okay, within the volatility, it's been moving back and forth, but one of the strongest ones was from down here at 113 to the highs here of 127. And on the 3-minute, it's been holding strong right around that area. I mean, this is a pivotal area where we're at right now. It definitely needs to hold up support. So let's talk about resistance and support levels. So the first support is down here at 121. We want to see that hold above that. If it gets broken through, the next one's down here at right around 115. And then right around 115 all the way to the lows of the day, 110 would be the next support level. Now to the upside, we want to see this break above 127, the high of the day, 128, give or take. That's where one of the bear indicators popped up in the history of the chart. If we break above that, where it rejected 2 times, and I talked about this in previous videos as we were going downwards, that is going to be a key resistance level up here at 137, 138, and then we could start talking about higher levels based off the history of the chart. As always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. I look forward to seeing your thoughts down below, and let's make some money.